About the Night of Champion. The 2025 Night of Champions, also promoted as Night of Champion and Riyadh, is an upcoming of professional wrestling per day view live streaming event produced by American company WWE. Produce it will be 11th night of champion and will take place on Saturday, June 28, 2025 at the Kingdom Arena in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia and features wrestlers from Raw and SmackDown. The event will host the finals of both 24th King of the Ring and 3rd Queen of the Ring tournament. The last time the final of each tournament were held in 2024. This will the second night of champions to take place in Saudi Arabia. After the last night of champion that was held in 2023, 13th event of WWE held in Saudi Arabia under 10th year of partnership in support of Saudi Vision of 2030. The event will feature John Cena and last night of champions appearance and his last PPV live streaming event appearance in Saudi Arabia as the Ring of Performance due to the retirement from professional wrestling at the end of 2025. Background of Night of Champion was an annual pay-per-year view event produced by WWE since 2007. It continued annually until 2015 but was discontinued until it was registered in the event of live streaming 2023. The event was characterized having the championship matches and the authority of multi-platform partnership with the Ministry of Sport, formerly General Sport Authority in support. Vision of 2030. Saudi Arabia Social and Economic Reform Program. The 2023 Night of Champion was the first Night of Champion held in Saudi Arabia, which was Jeddah, and it was the ninth event of the Arabia after the partnership. On the May of 2025, WWE announced that 11th night and the event of Solo Sikoa, the main event and the strategy was built on the Riyadh at the Kingdom of Arena featuring wrestlers from the Raw and SmackDown brand division. This will be the 13th event that will hold in Saudi Arabia. In SmackDown Friday, the mid of country 2025 due to 2026 hosting three such events excluding from yearly 2020 and 2021 during the COVID. The venue of Friday Night SmackDown will also be held on same venue. In addition to airing in traditional PPV worldwide and via wrestling on Peacock, in the United States, the event will be available to live stream under the service of January in those areas. WWE Network merger under the service. The event will include matches that result from scripted storyline. Results are predetermined by WWE writers on the Raw SmackDown brand, while storylines are produced on WWE weekly television, Monday Night Raw and Friday Night SmackDown. During the June 6th episode of SmackDown, the tournament of 24th King of the Ring and 3rd Queen of the Ring were announced. Begin in 9th June episode of Raw subsequently held across episode of Raw subsequently held across the event of SmackDown and culminating at the Night of Champion with the winner of each tournament. After the SummerSlam matches, the championship of the mega event held. On 9th June episode of Raw, undisputed WWE champion was confronted by longtime viral rival of CM Punk who challenged Cena to a title of match. That night episode, Cena accepted Punk challenge but only if the title match was at the Night of Champions in Saudi Arabia. Reference to Punk legends of past criticism of the company partnership with the country. Punk agreed and the match was subsequently made official for Night of Champion. As a result of Solo Sikoa losing Hanoi family Ulafala necklace to his cousin Roman Reigns during Raw Netflix premiere in January, tension arose between Solo Sikoa and other cousins and bloodline stablemate Jacob Fatu. Fatu then challenged Sikoa to a match for a title. However, Sikoa tried to attack Fatu, who prevented it at Mateo joined the Sikoa to attack, who got the upper hand after an assist from his cousin Jimmy Uso. Later that night, Fatu announced that after speaking with SmackDown General Manager Nick Aldis, he would defend the title against Sikoa at Night of Champions. On June 9 episode of Raw, Raquel interfered in rear replay Queen of Ring qualifying match on the behalf of her tag team partner Liv Morgan, costing Ripley the match. Ripley would turn the cost of qualifying the match. Called out replay as brawl ensued between both women of Radical perfuming the Adam and Nilia. The street fight was scheduled for Night of Champion early 2025 had been targeting Sami Zayn with Drew having crosses and confrontations of the Zayn for failing in his World of Champion returns and pursued after Zayn was eliminated in the semi-final of the King of the Ring tournament. Zayn subsequently punched Cross the announced that after talking with Raw General Manager Adam Pearce, a match between two was made official. Later that night, it was confirmed that the match would take place at Night of Champions. Cancelled match. On the May 5th episode of Raw, AJ Styles stated that he would be coming after Dominic Mysterio and asking the stableman for deal. Style won and following episode Style team defeated Balor and JD tag team match. Their rivalry would Style fought back. Mysterio was then saved by Balor with Styles treating with Mysterio championship. After Styles returned the championship to SmackDown, General Manager Nick Aldis, who was subbing for Raw General Manager Adam Pearce that night. Announcement of the style would face Mysterio for the Intercontinental Championship at the Night of Champions. The following week, however, Pearce announced a result of injury sustained by the Mysterio. The match was postponed and thus would not take at the Night of Champions.